As the traditional projector market continues to decline, BenQ is accelerating growth in the industry's most dynamic segment. As the traditional projector market continues to decline, BenQ is accelerating growth in the industry's most dynamic segment. Short-throw projectors designed for immersive, simulation-driven, and non-traditional applications. Today, BenQ announced the expansion of its projector lineup with 4 purpose-built models, designed specifically for simulation and experiential environments. These applications demand precise geometry, flexible aspect ratios, color accuracy, and simplified installation. BenQ's latest short-throw and ultra-short-throw projectors are engineered for immersive, simulation-driven environments. Powered by BenQ Screen Fill technology, purpose-built for non-standard screens, flexible aspect ratios, and immersive layouts. When realism matters, color-accurate projectors for immersive and simulation applications. LU895 Ultra Short-Throw Projector for immersive and projection mapping applications. Designed for immersive commercial spaces such as projection mapping, museums, themed attractions, and large-scale experiential installations. Its compact form factor, 24/7 durability, and blending-ready design make it ideal for environments where space is limited and visual impact is critical. Available for purchase in March on BenQ.com and through authorized retailers for $3,499. LH860S to high-brightness short-throw projector for golf and sports simulators. LH860 Saint delivers a 0.5 throw ratio with higher brightness than most short-throw models in its class. Perfect for golf simulators, shooting and military training simulators, ski and sports simulations. Immersive rooms and projection mapping, where ambient light and close-range projection are common challenges. Available now on BenQ.com and authorized resellers for $2,399. LK830S to 4K. Short-throw projector for simulation and high-resolution environments. Enhanced through updated firmware. Expands BenQ's simulation lineup with 4K support for golf simulators and other high-resolution applications. It offers improved color accuracy and visual detail at a 0.5 throw ratio optimized for a wide range of simulation environments. Available now on BenQ.com and authorized resellers for $2,499. LW830S to value-driven short-throw projector. LW830S is purpose-built for interactive playgrounds, floor projection, edutainment, and sensory rooms. Its compact design and seamless multi-projector blending make it ideal for transforming spaces with large, vivid, color-accurate images that spark creativity and imagination. The LW830ST is available now on BenQ.com and authorized resellers for $1,599. Across all 4 models, BenQ emphasizes color accuracy, factory-calibrated white points, flexible aspect ratios, and commercial-grade reliability, ensuring consistent results whether deploying a single projector or building large, blended immersive environments.